Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily print payment vouchers on QuickBooks. So we're currently here on QuickBooks, and from here, all you have to do is make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just head over to Sales, then click on Invoices. And from here, all you have to do is select the specific invoice that you want to print. So from here, I'm going to show you a sample invoice of a paid transaction just by clicking on it and edit invoice. And as you can see, this invoice already has paid payment status. And to print this, we can easily see here the print or preview setting. You can just simply click on this, or we can also go back to the first page. And you can easily see the print option here. Just click on print. You will then be redirected to a PDF preview. And to print this file, just click on the print icon. And from here, you can print this as a PDF file just by clicking on Save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. Then just click on Print. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!